Alright traders, good to have you back here. Let's do a top-down analysis on the dollar to determine the weekly directional bias very quickly. Now, just to tell you this, that the month of December is not that very suitable for trading. And so if you are taking trade in the month of December, you need to be a lot careful. If I were you, I would advise you to even avoid trading in the month of December. Maybe you take a break and come back January. That is exactly what I'm trying to do. From 10th of December, we'll be going on a break till January. Then I'll resume trading because you see a lot of anomalies in the market. All right. But for those of you who are still interested in trading, let's go into the top-down analysis and know what exactly the dollar is expected to do for the week. All right. So this is the weekly time frame. I don't want to go to the monthly since I'm just looking at the weekly. Down to 15 minutes, we'll look at what is happening on the dollar. So quickly, the dollar index DXY, if you're on tradingview.com, go to DXY and you will find the dollar index. And the dollar index is basically an indices that measures the strength, the performance of the United States dollar, and you need to watch it sometimes, especially if you're trading dollar paired currencies or some indices in the futures market. All right, so let's look at what is happening now. This is the weekly time frame. Quickly, the first thing you need to do is to look at what is happening. Just have a glance on your chart, and you don't want to take too much data into consideration. You just want to see what is happening around here. All right, what is happening especially in this area, because this is what matters to you. The market is overall bullish, and we've had a retracement that turned into a shifting market structure here, which I will show you subsequently. And then definitely before doing anything, you need to know what is happening in the fundamental aspect, and that is to check your economic calendar. For that, I normally use fastbull.com. You can check the link in the description of this video. They have different aspects that will help you, especially the economic calendar, where you get to know what are the news events that we're supposed to be unfold over the week. You can see all of them according to countries, different currencies, so you can check and know what is the expected data. You can see actual, forecast, and then you have the previous data, the impact, the kind of impact that is supposed to come, and there is a short detail telling you what that news is all about. So you can check it right there. And then you have the analysis. The analysis aspect shows you what is happening based on the economic prediction. You know, it's an expert analysis that we shared right there. And then you also have the 247 news update, which you can see right here. Different global news that you're supposed to just check for yourself. Everything happening, you will know whether China, whether which country is having an economic boost or something that will help you to know what the currency will be doing. So different aspect analysis, AI signals, and then the news. So you can check it out every time before taking trades. So let's get back to this. So what we have right here is basically a bullish movement. And how did we see a bullish movement? We saw price having this shifting market structure, and then this shifting market structure move up to this place. And remember, I told you every time you're looking at a retracement, you need to see just 1, 2, 3 candles. You know that retracement has started in this particular movement. So what you need to do after that is to get your Fibonacci tool, pick it right here, put it from here to this place. All right. And once you're able to get that, what you do is to know where price is currently. This is external range liquidity coming into internal range liquidity, and you want to see price come to discount. That is where you will know that price will be going up again. But for the period of this movement, it is a bearish movement. So overall is bullish, but this retracement, remember, is a weekly time frame, 1 week, 2 week, 3 week, 4 weeks. You're watching it as price is coming. So we have a confluence right here. Price has actually traded into this area. Let me see what we have right here. We don't have a fair value gap, but we have something called implied fair value gap that may possibly be where price traded into right here. And then right here, you also have something like a breaker block right here. All right, a bullish breaker block where price have just traded into, and now you can see rejection at this exact point. You have to watch it carefully. You see a rejection at that exact point. Sweep of liquidity right here, and then sweep of liquidity right here. So this area is very important because we've seen it quickly push up price to that level. Now when we go to the daily time frame, we're going to see what is happening also. Now on the daily time frame, we are apparently still bearish. All right, let me remove every drawing. You can see as price is, breaking structure after shifting market structure, we are pushing lower, and this is the last high that price has created. Except if we take out this high, we are still bearish on the daily time frame. Even though today's candle is printing bullish, it does not mean it is bullish. You need to be very careful. All right, you need to be very careful with that. And if we drop down to the 4-hour time frame, it will show us more detail of what is happening. So the 4-hour time frame, what did we see? We saw price had this movement coming into this bearish mitigation block. That was what price traded into. Bearish mitigation block, hitting it, and then we see a quick downward movement to this side. Now price is retracing back to that area, touching this level. Now we want to see price crash. So personally, on my own opinion, I think the dollar is going to be bearish. But because it is the month of December, of course, there are so many factors that are affecting the market, especially the institutions are going on vacation. So you will see a lot of disparity in the market. So the 4-hour is telling us bearish. Let's see what the 1-hour time frame is telling us also. Still bearish, because we can see something like a breaker block. This guy breaking above here, and price is shifting market structure. Where is your breaker? Right here, and price has touched that breaker. I am still expecting price to go bearish on the DXY from the 1-hour time frame. So let's check foreign currencies and see what is happening. The Euro USD or the GBP USD, whichever one you want to check. So this is Euro USD. So what do you expect Euro USD to do? Euro USD, I'm expecting it to go bullish since my DXY is bearish. DXY is bearish. I expect the Euro USD to go bullish. All right, I expect my EU to go bullish. But there is something I noticed recently. Because of the month of December, I told you will see a lot of things. If you look at what is happening to Euro USD and GBP USD, remember they are correlated pairs. Euro USD and then GBP USD, they are correlated pairs. So what is happening on Euro USD is supposed to happen on GBP USD, especially when we check it. But look at this. Just notice this. Did you see price on Euro USD push down like this? We are bearish on Euro USD, massive bearish for the meantime on 1 hour. I want to see shifting structure, and then we go bullish, which is our bias today. Previously, last week, we were bearish. But let's see what is happening on GBP USD. You will see some disparity, and that is what I'm telling you. And GBP USD is bullish. All right, GBP USD is bullish. So now we have SMT divergence on Euro USD, and that is because the month of December is somehow, very, very difficult to predict, because a lot of, disparity in the market. That is just the month. So GBP USD is giving us the exact directional bias, because DXY is bearish, so GBP USD is bullish. So Euro USD is the one creating the SMT divergence. It will eventually move up. If you have not watched my video on SMT divergence, you can simply check the YouTube channel. Just search for it, come to the search and search for SMT divergence, and you will see the video where I explain everything that you're supposed to know. So that is exactly what is happening. So we are bullish on this, and price have actually traded down into this into this breaker block. This is a breaker block on the GBP USD 1 hour. I don't want to go to the other time frame since I know what DXY is doing. I will just use the 1 hour time frame on the GBP USD and Euro USD. So I'm watching this. Price have traded into these guys. So I'm expecting price, except if something else comes up. There is a fair value gap right here, which price have touched, and then touched this bullish breaker block. And as price is going up, I want to see price go bullish for the day. But of course, you need to watch out for everything happening, guys. Make sure you do your analysis before you take trade. Also, this is my weekly prediction. Don't forget, I saw DXY still trying to push downward, which was what I told you earlier. And then the GBP USD and Euro USD, I want to see them go bullish. All right, that is basically what I'm expecting until I have a shift in market structure in that time frame. Let's see where the shift in market structure is supposed to happen. Let's go to the 4 hour. if I see price shift structure taking out the high right here, taking out this high, then I'm bullish on DXY. But for now, I'm still bearish. So guys, this is all about this video. If you find value here, make sure you subscribe, you turn the bell notification, because a lot of more analysis are coming your way. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video.